Elafonisi Beach is unlike any other. What makes it truly special is the pink sand, a natural phenomenon caused by crushed seashells that mix with the white sand, creating a soft, rose-hued shoreline. This rare pink sand stretches across the beach and the small islet of Elafonisi, which is separated from the mainland by a shallow lagoon. You can easily walk across the shallow water to explore this idyllic islet, where you'll find hidden coves, small dunes, and even a few secluded spots to call your own. Located on the southwestern coast of Crete, Elafonisi is about a 75-kilometer drive from 𝗘𝗟𝗔𝗙𝗢𝗡, the island's second largest city. The drive itself is an experience, winding through picturesque villages, rugged mountain landscapes, and lush green gorges. The water here is calm, warm, and crystal clear, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or simply floating in the shallows. The beach is family-friendly, with plenty of space to spread out and enjoy the sun. And because Elafonisi is part of a protected Natura 2000 area, the natural beauty remains unspoiled, offering a pristine environment for visitors to enjoy. Before you set off for Elafonisi, here are some practical tips to ensure your trip is smooth and enjoyable. First, consider visiting early in the morning or later in the afternoon to avoid the midday crowds. The beach is popular, especially during the summer months, so arriving early will give you the best chance to snag a prime spot on the sand. If you're planning to spend the day, pack plenty of water, snacks, sun umbrella, and sun protection. While there are a few canteens and beach bars, the options are limited, and it's always better to be prepared. Don't forget to bring snorkeling gear if you want to explore the underwater world around the islet. And if you're staying until sunset, prepare to be amazed. The view of the sun dipping into the horizon over the Libyan Sea is simply unforgettable. Elafonisi Beach is more than just a destination. It's a slice of paradise that offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking to relax on its famous pink sands, explore the natural beauty of the islet, or simply enjoy a day by the sea, Elafonisi is sure to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Crete and make Elafonisi Beach one of your must-see spots.